Knock, knock. How come you guys don't want him? He's so family oriented. How come you guys don't want him?
Because he's not a land turtle. We said we wanted a land turtle.
He's a land turtle.
He's not a. We've had those. It's a slider turtle. It needs water. Do not.
Dude.
And if you don't give it water soon, I don't know how long.
You know, he was raised on land though. He was raised on. Can you just say hi to him?
No, I already said hi.
Just say. Can you say hi, Leo?
Hello, Leo.
Priscilla, say hi to him now.
You're just. This is why we don't talk to you.
Say hi. Are you guys really scared of a turtle?
No, it's just like I don't want.
You guys are hating on him because he's freaking a nice little land turtle? Because he's big?
Oh my God, we were just doing fine. We were watching TV.